So this was the weather that I was hoping for yesterday. It is beautiful. It is sunny. I think we're going to top out at 73 degrees today. It's March the 2nd. We are getting ready to head down for breakfast, and then we're going to hit the road, run a couple of errands, and make our way back home. It was a very quiet night. Couldn't hear any road noise. I think I did hear an airplane pass over at some point, but other than that, slept soundly. The room was clean. The bed was nice and firm. Pro tip, if you get 2 queen beds, you're going to get the extra blanket. You're going to get the extra pillows. If you end up sleeping just in one bed, you have everything that you need to make your other bed really, really comfortable for sleeping for 2. So definitely a pro tip. We're going to go inside, take a look a little bit at the interior, and have our breakfast, and we will catch you all on the flip side.